Assalamu alaikum. My name is Humaira Khan and I am representing Construction Manager Aleem Khan and Blackstone Corporation on the Islamic Association of Greater Detroit's expansion project presentation. Please keep watching to see a detailed overview of what we have accomplished and what we will be working on in the year 2020. As you can see here, this is the front elevation. As we presented in the last fundraiser during Ramadan, we said that we will be working on completing the structure of this expansion project by November 2019. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the structure and are ready to begin working on the interior of the building. We have completed all the new building foundations, structural steel for the basement, first floor, second floor, and the roof. We've completed the precast slabs for the first floor and the second floor, and the masonry work for the building. The next slide that you see here is the progress we have made of the north entrance. This entrance can be seen from Auburn Road. Now, we do have the structures up for the minarets, as you can see the left and right minaret right here, as well as the big dome or the main dome and the front entrance. Here we have the south side of the building or the main entrance with a circular driveway. You can see that the structure for this entrance is also complete. Both the north entrance and the main entrance will meet under the main dome, as you can see the structure right here. This next slide that you see here is the side of the building or the external area of the building where the minbar will be. There is a second dome in the new building which you will be able to see above the minbar area, which will also arrive in spring 2020 along with the big dome. Now, if you're on the outside, you will be able to see the smaller dome right over here. Now, let's take a look at the internal structure of the building. This is the main gathering area or the atrium. The north entrance right here and the south entrance both meet in the atrium. This big hole that you see in the middle of the ceiling is where the dome will be above. If you stand right here in the middle and you look up, you will be able to see the main dome along with seeing the second floor. This railing that you see right here on the second floor is only a temporary railing and it will be replaced with a glass railing. Standing at the south entrance, looking at the north entrance in the atrium, you can see that there are 2 staircases and 1 visible elevator. Now, in this new building, there are a total of 5 staircases and 1 elevator. 2 of the staircases will only go up to the second floor, and 3 of them will go to the second floor and to the basement. This staircase to your left right here will take you up to the second floor, but it will not take you to the basement as the basement line ends right here. This right here, the staircase right here, and the elevator you see here will take you to both the second floor and the basement. This next area here is the administrative area with a couple of bathrooms, offices for the imams, a cafeteria, and a meeting room. The wall you see in the back here is the wall connected to the existing buildings. A couple types of openings to look at here. The 3 openings here, so 1, 2, and 3, all 3 of those open up to the existing prayer hall. The opening to the far left, right here, will open up to the existing social hall. Moving on, this is a men's prayer hall. It is about 8,800 square feet and can fit about 1,400 to 1,500 people. If you can look up, you will be able to see the women's prayer hall on the second floor right here. This is the minbar area, and it is about 2 stories tall with a dome right above the minbar area right here. This is the view of the second floor under the dome. This is also the common area for all women to meet outside the prayer hall. Here is another view of the common area for the women on the second floor. As you can see here, this is the main dome right here. This little area here will be the bathrooms for the women to use and the wudu area. And then this is the doorway right here. These 3 doorways lead to the women's prayer hall. This is the second floor admin area, which will also have some offices, meeting rooms, a library, and an entrance to the existing school. This second floor women's prayer hall is about 5,500 square feet and can fit about 700 individuals. The railing that you see right here is only temporary, and it will all be replaced with a glass railing overlooking the men's prayer hall. This is what we have accomplished so far. The structural portion of this project for the new building is complete. We are working on finishing the roof, which will be complete within the next couple of weeks. The heating has been turned on, and the workers have started working on the inside of the new building. The plan for the next 6 months is to complete rough framing, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, fire separation, and fire alarm system, so we will be ready to do other things such as insulation, drywall, and painting. We will also be installing doors and windows in spring 2020, and the mason has completed the main structural work, but they do have to come back and install limestone inserts around the windows and doors, on the minarets, and the entrance doors. Inshallah, we are looking to complete the above items by June 2020. Thank you for watching and being a huge support to IAGD Masjid. All your help and prayers are a big part of the success of this project. Enjoy your evening.